Hi friends, good morning. Welcoming you all to the story page today. And today I am going to tell you a story regarding the fisherman and investment banker. Just have a look at the picture, and my story revolves around it. A fisherman and an investment banker coming and advising him like how he can become rich. Okay, so the story is about this fisherman and the investment banker only. Okay, there was a fisherman, and this man is a very contented person. He want to earn for his livelihood, be happy, enjoy with the family. That is what was his wish. He was not very money minded or anything like that. This man, he used to go for fishing and bring back some fish, and he will sell it and then go back to home and lead a very happy life and enjoy with his kids, wife, and then that is how he used to live. And one day one investment banker will come to his home, and he will just taste that fishes that will be quality wise, that will be excellent. So the investment banker will ask like, how long do you fish? Then the fisherman will say, hardly for 2 hours, that's it. I'm contented, I don't want to work beyond that. Like that he would say. Okay, only 2 hours you say, then what do you do after that? Then he will say, like, morning I used to get up late, I go for fishing by 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, I know it will 1 o'clock it will get over. I come back home, I have my food with my children and wife, then I talk to them, I play with my kids, I sleep for some time, again get up in the evening, again chat with my family members, then slowly I go for walking to the village, and all his friends will be there. I will be talking and enjoying with my friends. This is how I end the day, like that he say. Then the investment banker will say, no, I have come here to advise you. You can become a very rich man. Don't you want to become a rich man? I will give you guidelines for that. Like that he will say. Then he will ask, okay, what I should do? Then he will say, so you are saying only 2 hours or maximum 3 hours. Don't be like that. The whole day you have to go for fishing. Okay, come back only night. You will get huge quantity of fishes. When you have huge quantity of fishes, then obviously you slowly will be earning more money. Then that middleman and all you can cut off. Directly you can sell your products to the customer. So you will get huge profit you will get. When you get huge profit, then what you can do? You can buy a big boat. If you buy a big boat, then slowly you will get a fleet of boats. So when you have more and more boats and more fish, you become very rich. People will respect you, like that he will say. The fisherman will ask, how long will it take for me to become a rich man like what you are saying? Hardly 15-20 years. My goodness, 15-20 years I have to work. Okay, after that what to do then? Then the fisherman will say, what? 15-20 years you will earn lot of money. There is no necessity for you to work. Then you can come back to your village like this, just for 1 hour, 2 hours you go for fishing. Then you enjoy with your family, your children, you can play games, you can sleep, get up late, go meet your friend, everything you can do as per your wish, like that he will say. Then the fisherman will slowly ask, that is what I am doing now. Then the investment banker, he will be so depressed. So much I motivated him, why he is like that. The fisherman will say, I am sorry, banker, I am happy with this life. I don't want to earn more money. I don't want to have more stress and tension. I want to lead a happy life. So this is what is my life. So don't disturb me. Even if you say also, I am not interested. So such type of people are also there in this world. Really, we should be like that fisherman. Let us be happy. Of course, not a very humble like him. Maybe little, we have to earn for our livelihood. But after that, we should try our level best to lead a happy life, not having much tensions and not be very money minded. Okay, friends, meet you tomorrow with another story.